Big moves for former North Carolina Health Secretary Mandy Cohen. Reports now saying she has been picked to lead the CDC.
Cohen was the state's guiding force through much of the COVID-19 pandemic. She stepped down from that role in November 2021 after nearly 5 years on the job.
The Washington Post now reporting Cohen would replace Rochelle Walensky, who is stepping down on June 30th as the head of the CDC. The agency has been touted as a model for global public health.
Therefore, propaganda is vastly more important in democratic societies.
So I would call, probably the person I called most was the Secretary of Health and Human Services in Massachusetts. She worked for a Republican governor just to, but you know, when she was like, are you going to let them have professional football? And I was like, nope. And she's like, okay, neither are we. You know, it was like conversations like that. So, or I'd be like, so when are you going to think about lightening up a mess? They're like, next Monday. I'm like, okay, next Monday.
And what we heard from the CDC last week was even better news than we had heard before, right? We had heard that vaccines protect you from getting COVID. I think the new piece of information for us was now we really have more definitive data to show that it also prevents you from giving COVID to others. And that's really when the masks come in, right? Is a mask were about protecting you from giving COVID to others, even if you don't know you have it. And the fact that the CDC was so confident to say, now we know that these vaccines not only protect you as an individual, it protects you from giving it to others. I think that's why we were able to move forward more quickly.
Do not wait until it is you or your loved one who is sick with COVID to wear a mask. Wait 6 feet apart and wash your hands often. Do not wait until it's you or your loved one alone in a hospital bed struggling against this virus. Do not wait until it's your family that loses someone to COVID-19. Act now. Do those 3 W's now. Protect yourself, your loved ones, and your community right now.
Hi, this is Dr. Mandy Cohen, Secretary of the North Carolina Department of Health and Human Services, and I'm here today at our pediatrician's office getting our COVID-19 vaccine. So these are my daughters who are 7 and 9. This is Evelyn and Sophie. I could not be more relieved to get them their vaccine today. We know that this vaccine has been through a rigorous clinical trial. I've gotten the chance to look at that data myself. We love our kids so much, and we want to make good decisions for them and their health. And I was really happy that we have a safe and effective COVID vaccine. And I was really proud of them today that they got their vaccine. It was a huge sigh of relief for mom. So I hope everyone goes out and gets their COVID vaccine for their kids as soon as possible.